Welcome to YouTube, it's your girl Mickey Molly, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I got this Pinterest inspired hairstyle. So you guys see the hairstyle up in the corner right there, and I'm just going to be doing the hairstyle. So I started out basically on some old hair. So this was an old curl, like twist and curl. So that's what I did, and so my hair was like really dry, but it wasn't, it was kind of dirty. I'm not even gonna lie, it was a little bit dirty, but it wasn't super dirty. So yeah, I didn't wash my hair. Usually before I do a hairstyle, I always try to just like wash my hair before I start, so that whatever products I put on it don't cause any flaking, because that's just an issue that I have with just old hair flakes, and it's disgusting. But we didn't wash our hair in this time, and we're gonna just deal with it. So right now I'm just trying to part my hair to make sure that it looks like the girl in the picture, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get a really nice straight part so it looks all aesthetic and like Pinterest like. But yeah, so my hair is a bit tangled. Yeah, you guys see, like it's a little doozy to get everything together, but I'm gonna get everything together. So I parted out the two sections in the front, and then the section in the back I'm just gonna catch it up so we can deal with that later, because it's a lot to deal with, guys. It's a lot. But we're gonna get this hairstyle on the road, and we're gonna get it all cute. We're gonna get it all put together. So first things first, I'm starting on that little tiny section in the corner, and I'm adding some water to it so that I can have it all detangled and nice and not looking super dry like it is right now. So I'm just spraying some water on the roots and the ends, and then I'm just detangling it all the way through. You see how it looks good once it's like moisturized. Like you see the shine in that thing. You see that thing? Looking nice. All right, so I'm just detangling all through the roots to the ends and trying to get it cute and nice. So I'm using my Tangle Teezer brush to comb through my curls to make sure that they're nice and detangled and just the way I like it to be. So that's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, it was really easy to detangle the hair because the hair was already like moisturized and all that stuff prior to me doing this, because it was an old style. So the product from the old style basically just reactivated once I put water on it. So that made it a little bit easier, because usually if my hair is like clean hair, it doesn't really detangle this easily unless I have product on it. So the product made it easier to detangle. So I already finished the tiny little section in the corner, and now I'm doing like, this is like the bigger section, the part that I'm going to be like swooping over to get that swoop-de-doop look. Yeah, so I'm just going through this section. This is like the bigger section, and taking tiny sections out of the section and detangling them just to get my hair nice and neat and detangled, so that it's easy to just like brush it and swoop it. So I feel like I did like a swoop hairstyle before and I didn't like detangle, and I kind of was sad about that because it made it so much harder to detangle or like get the hair smooth. So detangling really helps to make sure that the swoop is nice and smooth. So right now I'm just going in and I'm adding some Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel, and that's literally the best styling product. I don't care what nobody say. Like Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel ain't never did me wrong, y'all. It ain't never did a bad thing to me. So I'ma stick beside her because she ride or die. So right now I'm just going in with my toothbrush and I'm trying to like sleek it really nicely. Y'all know I always use like a toothbrush in my like styling videos, because a toothbrush, it gets the details, y'all. It gets all the details that I like to get when I'm doing my hair. So right now y'all see a little bit of the, what I'm calling it again, the flakes. Yeah, a little bit of flakes was trying to come in, but you know, we got rid of that. So I just brushed that tiny little section, and yeah, it's looking nice. And I'm going to the big section, and I'm just sleeking it down so that I can have that look like the girl in the picture. So that's what I'm doing right now, guys, and I feel like it was going pretty well, pretty good. And I'm just like getting that all the way situated. I think I'm gonna try and do like a little braid in the back just to secure the hairstyle, and y'all gonna see what happens next. So yeah, I'm just braiding it down to the back and swooping some more. So basically, you guys just saw me swoop and everything and do everything, and then no, it's not done anymore. But that's because I realized I was doing the hairstyle wrong, y'all. I didn't have like the little tinges on the corner that she had like beside her ear, so I had to literally take down the hairstyle and do everything again. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the process of doing everything. So honestly, at first when I was looking at the hairstyle, I was a bit confused because I was like, is this little curl from her ear or is it from the back of her head? And it took me a while. It took me a while to realize that it's actually from her ear. I don't know why it was kind of difficult for me to see because the hairstyle is literally in my face. But I just couldn't see that the hair, the little curl tendrils were from her ear. So I basically had to take down everything that I already did and take out two little pieces so that I have the curly tendrils just like she does. So I feel like that was annoying, but it wasn't hard to like swoop and like sleek the hair again because the hair was already sleeked and I already basically had like it gelled down and everything. So it was annoying, but it wasn't too bad. So right now I'm just doing the same thing I already did again, and I'm just getting everything sleek and nice. So yeah, I'm just brushing. I think I took out the little purple ponytail holder that I had in my hair, and I'm just getting this little ponytail on top situated. I don't know, like usually like when I'm doing my hair, I don't do like styles, so I don't realize how much hair I have. But anytime I'm doing like a hairstyle and like I have to like part out my hair, I'm like, oh my god, this is so much hair, it's so annoying. But yeah, so basically at first I had braided the little section in the back, but right now I'm just using a ponytail holder to just secure it so that it's a really taut or tight or whatever, and getting that really nice. So I'm just adding some more water to the sides because it's not staying as sleek as I wanted it to be. Like I really wanted it to just be sleek and like really nice and really tight and just look like the girl in the picture. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just like brushing it, and right now I'm using the Pattern Beauty edge control, and I'm just using that to sleek my edges some more. And yeah, I also use the edge control to like curl the tendrils up because I feel like, I don't know, it was just a better curl when I use like an edge control instead of using like a gel. So I feel like that really made the curls, like the little curly tendrils, just really nice, moisturized, and just like put in place. Like they were really set in place. So you guys gonna see some flakes, annoying, but we're gonna act like we don't see those, okay? We're gonna just like close our eyes and act like the flakes don't exist, because like flakes don't exist on this channel. But so yeah, I'm using the hydrating mist from Pattern Beauty, and I'm just using that on the top section of my hair to get it like moisturized before I actually like get the ponytail little fan. I think it's like a fan, like a shell, like a seashell on the top of my head. So basically I didn't really go super hard for the seashell. Like the seashell looks super like natural, but it's like I have natural hair, guys. Like it's gonna look like natural hair. But yeah, so this is what this seashell looks like. I was trying to get it like a little bit bigger and like get it like more like hers, but I feel like this is just what it was doing, and I was like, okay, I'm just let it do its thing. I'm not gonna fight with it too much. I'm just let it be what it be. But I feel like it came out pretty nicely. I went over the edges some more because I really wanted to have that super sleek look, you know what I'm saying, like snatched. super duper snatch, and I feel like I kind of got it, especially when I like really played with the edges and made the edges like really cute. I feel like I really tried to like gel down every single strand so it looks like I have more edges than I do. So it's like just playing with the hairline and making sure it looks really neat. It just helps the overall hairstyle to look like it's neat, even when it's not. Like really, the edges really make the hairstyle look like what it is. But this is basically the hairstyle, guys. This is the finished product. So let me know what you guys think about it. But yeah, thank you for watching the entire video, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.